Hello, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Dev Emsh, and I am an engineer and homesteader living in Vermont. In my previous life, I was an electrical computer engineer for Storage Tech Corporation. These days, I focus on my homesteading work, some engineering work on timber frame buildings, and spend too much time dealing with my maple syrup production. I also restore and use vintage machine tools, including Wadkin and Oliver woodworking machines, as well as metalworking machines, such as my beloved Monarch 10 EE lathe. I am also a digital content producer. While most of my digital content relates to my homesteading adventures, I also do some work for clients. In this work, I find myself using Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio, as well as AutoCAD's basic drafting software. Certainly, I use other software to generate any needed footage and images as needed. While I use AI for some of my work, I feel that it's a great tool to assist one in telling a story. But I ethically limit what I do to real-world topics and actual events. So some of my digital content will initially be AI heavy. As I get my homestead working properly, I will be using much more actual footage. This channel is fundamentally a homesteading channel, but it covers many areas of interest. Areas include building timber frame structures, restoring and using machine tools, and of course, putting some of my current events and opinions out there. Anything from an engineer cooking red flannel hash to working on vintage steam engines. Vermont is a wildly dynamic state politically, so that will always be interesting and fun. A big part of my life has been the restoration and use of vintage machine tools for both woodworking and metalworking. In addition to having worked as an engineer, I've also worked as a machinist, so a major focus of this channel will contain woodworking and metalworking projects using these machine tools. Be prepared to see many restoration projects, as well as the construction of other projects such as tiny steam engines as well as large steam engines. I'm also an experienced tool and die machinist who makes heirloom-class hand tools such as Old English infill hand planes for woodworking. In addition to machine tools and some backyard engineering, I will also document the usual suspects found on the homestead, reviews of heirloom chickens, as well as larger critters. What is a true homestead without these feathered critters? Beef is a major part of our diet, and cattle are a big part of the homestead. Vermont is a cold and green state, so be prepared to see these hippie cows, the Scottish Highland, which thrives in Vermont. And of course, you gotta have the true weed eaters of all times, the commensurate goats. But you have to have the juice. Oh, that magical juice. My homestead does not have access to grid power, so another area that will be documented is how I run the homestead on renewable power, including solar power. So I hope you all will enjoy these documentary videos of my homestead as much as I enjoy making them. Bear with me as I initially use AI footage, transitioning to actual footage. I will do my part, but I also ask you all to do your part by helping build and support this channel by subscribing and hitting that like button to keep the algorithm happy. It helps me to make more videos as the homestead evolves.